Assalamualaikum. This is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you the detailed description and introduction of active voice and passive voice. First of all, I tell you the definition of active voice and passive voice. Active voice is a sentence in which the subject performs the action stated by the verb. But in passive voice, in passive voice the subject is acted upon by the verb. Now it is clear, and it is up to us if we want to remove the agent or doer of the action. It is up to us. We can remove the agent, but and one important thing is that if we remove it, it gives to our sentence a neater turn. Another important thing is that the active voice is used when we want to make the actor prominent, and passive voice is used when the thing acted upon is to be made prominent. And it is also clear that when we don't know the agent or doer of the action, and it is also possible we know about the actor but we don't care of it, then we also use passive voice. For example, the ship was wrecked. In each sentence we are saying that there is no need of the actor, and it was omitted, it was removed, and it is giving the sentence a neater turn. Now the next point is how to change active voice into passive voice. In active voice, first we use object plus helping verb plus third form of verb plus subject. Rule of changing tense. Now the thing that I am telling you is that you must keep it in your mind. It will make learning active voice into passive voice, it will make easier than to you if you keep this thing in your mind. Every indefinite and perfect tense will be changed, will be turned into the next tense. For example, every indefinite will go into the continuous, and every perfect will go into the perfect continuous, and every continuous tense will remain in the same tense, but we will add being in it. Rules of subjective pronouns. If the sentence starts with pronoun, we will change it, we will put every subject in the end as I have told, but we will put it by changing it into its third form. For example, I will be changed into me will be changed into us, they will be changed into them, you will be changed into you, he will be changed into him, she will be changed into her, and it will be changed into it. Another notable thing is that in WH family only who is which is changed by making passive voice. For example, who knocks at the door, it will be made into passive voice as by whom is the door knocked at. And I am giving you examples, and I will give you detailed description of active voice passive voice into my next lecture. There are 3 sentences that I am giving you some example to make the point clear to you. He killed the snake. Now how we will make it into passive voice? We will start from here. The snake was killed by him, and I am learning my essay. Now how we will make into passive voice? We will start it, we will pick from the object. My essay is being learned by me. And the last example is that will she have cooked meal, and we will change it, will meal will meal have been cooked by her. Okay, the lecture is over. I will give you detailed description of active voice, passive voice with every tense, present, past and future in the next lecture. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.